For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns, and it's time for your daily dose of the doctor. Let's take a look at what happened in the first hour trading pit on October the 5th, 2016. We had a gap open, and then we had a little hiccup in the room, and some of us got booted out of there, others didn't. We don't know what happened, but at least the trades got off. The first gap was in DRI, Darden Restaurants Incorporated. This was the one that was the focus for the morning. And we see here that we had a nice big gap to the upside. A first logical target right where the fib expansion overlaps with the pivot line. So a very, very clear area to look at for a first target down at $62.32 with a logical expansion target at $61.84. So we missed a bunch of move to the downside, but you don't really care because at the end of the day, when you're catching a move that is $1 per share on a $61 stock, you've done better than most people, and it's definitely better than a poke in the eye. Now let's take a look at the trades from the trading plan, which also triggered first thing in the morning. Usually we don't look at these here on the videos, but we're going to start recapping these as well. First one on the plan, American Campus Communities. We see we had a 49.39 planned entry, a stop at 49.70, and a target at 48.86. Stock opened a gap lower. We've wound up getting filled at 49.31. That's no big deal as far as a slip goes. And then we had a move straight down to the profit target. Iron Mountain was the next one on the plan, ticker symbol IRM. We had a fastball short side set up at 36.38 short, with a stop at $36.74 and an initial target $35.79. Here's another one straight down to our profit target. So far, this was a very easy morning of trading as the stock went down, hit S1, went down to S2, dipped below just long enough to get us filled, and then, of course, over the course of the day, made another 60-cent per share move. But we're not worried about that. We're worried about what we're targeting, not about what actually happens over the course of the session. Next was Realty Income Corporation, ticker symbol O. This was a fastball short side setup. Entry was a short at $65.22. Stop $65.67. $64.64 was the initial target on this one. And as we see, O was another inline open, got us right into the trade, went down, hit our profit target, kept right on going, but again, we don't care. There are other entry opportunities on this one. You get in when it comes back up to 64.38, bumps up against this pivot line, keeps moving lower. But if at the end of the day, all you did was planned your trade and then traded your plan, you are in good shape as this one forked over a very nice profit per share. Finally, Valero Energy Corporation, ticker symbol VLO. This was a switch hitter short setup, 52.41 short sale entry, 52.74 stop, 51.85 target. And as we see here, sometimes the best laid plans really mean nothing at all as the stock moved higher on the session, never triggered us in, never gave us an entry opportunity. If you were looking for an entry at a pivot line, this 53.62 really had nothing to offer as there was no overhead resistance there going into the session. So that's everything that happened on Tuesday. I'd like to give you a couple of links here to some things that might be of interest. First off, we've got a book that is recently published. This is by Bill Beaudry. It is Breakthrough Strategies of Wall Street Traders. 17 remarkable traders reveal their top performing investment strategies. You will find that Chapter 5 is entirely devoted to an interview with me. It's in this book. It's a great interview. It's really engaging, and I thought he did a great job of sort of ferreting out where we get these ideas from and what it is that we're doing. You can click on the book here, and it will take you to Amazon, where, of course, you can pick it up and have it delivered tomorrow, and you can be reading all about this stuff tomorrow night. Very engaging stuff, and a great job that Bill did on this brand new Market Wizards book. So this is a really good read, and I think everything in it has something to offer to somebody. And then the next link to click and have a look at is the Las Vegas Traders Expo is coming up. I am once again speaking. This is every year now since 1999 that you will find me at the Traders Expo. And we've seen a lot of people come and go, but the relationship between myself and the Traders Expo has remained so strong over the years that I can only say very, very good things about them. And I hope that you'll take the opportunity and register for the event and join us in Las Vegas. If you're there, please let me know. Send me an email. If nothing else, let me know you're going to be there. Look for me at the event, and let's all get together and talk trading. I love meeting people and just bouncing some ideas around. So with that, if you have any other questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. I hope you had a great trading day on Tuesday and an even better one on deck for Wednesday. The best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.